Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on and tap on Bluetooth. Then you need to click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit and select Pair in the pop-up. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this gear icon, the blue one next to the device, selecting Forget, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!